doesn't get hotter than these guys. It is fresh and Justin, the Patriotic League of Uganda via Daudi Kabanda has withdrawn their endorsement of Anita Mong, and it's happening.
Uganda PLU, General Muhoozi guided that all the Patriotic League of Uganda leaning honorable members elect should support the Right Honorable Anita Mong for Speaker and Right Honorable Taiwa Thomas for Deputy Speaker of the 12th Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Accordingly, the chairman of the Patriotic League of Uganda, General Muhoozi, has guided as follows. 1. That the endorsement of the Right Honorable Anita Mong and Right Honorable Thomas Taiwa as candidates for Speaker and Deputy Speaker respectively for the 12th Parliament of Uganda by the letter dated 11th March 2026 is retracted and withdrawn with immediate effect. 2. That the leadership of the Patriotic League of Uganda encourages its honorable members elect to support the candidates that will be presented to them by His Excellency the President for the position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. 3. That in the Patriotic League of Uganda, we follow the command, instructions, and guidance of our chairman, General Muhoozi at all times. Thank you.